Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a case for the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Now this case is made by Spigen. This is the Ultra Hybrid case. This is the black version. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look. Okay, let me show you where you get this from. You can get it from Amazon. It's the Spigen Ultra Hybrid design for the Galaxy S21 Ultra. This is the matte black. That's the picture right here. As you can see. Now $14.99 on Prime. And you got two colors. You got a matte black and you got a clear version as well. All right. I chose to go with the black version. All right. Now I will put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, here's the box that comes in. Spigen box there. Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Not much branding on the front there. And Spigen usually does a good job of boxing their items up. So that's pretty simple opening. Now it's got some plastic on it, and Spigen did a good job of putting some tabs there to make it easy to pull it apart, so that's pretty cool. I like that. Spigen is a class act there, so they do a good job with that. Same thing on the back. Okay, now here's the case, and it's very light, fairly thin. Looks like this is going to come up pretty high on the sides. You got your ports opening right there, speaker opening right there. I mean your mic openings. And you got a cutout for the camera. Looks like it's going to come over the camera, overlap the camera. And no feet otherwise on this right here. But it's pretty soft, but not too soft. Clear back. We're going to go ahead and get the device and put it inside and see what it looks like. Okay, here's the S21 Ultra. Let's go ahead and put it inside and see how it fits. Now right away I can tell it's got a sticky grip. Now this is actually much slimmer than I thought it was going to be. And you can see you got cover over the lip right there. It's not too thick, but you do have some cover there. It's a little bit shallow, but you got cover. So you'll be able to set this down on flat surfaces without having a problem. Now this comes up high enough on the sides so you protect the sides. Screen protectors might be weary about that, so not all might fit. And you got openings for your charging port, your speaker, and your mic right there. So they made that big enough for that. Your power button and your volume down button, those kind of open, got some openings around it. They work pretty well. And you got your mics up top there, so all that lined up. And your speaker is protected. You can see that. Now this overlaps the speaker just a little bit, so it does come over the speaker, if you can see that right there. So that's pretty cool. Okay, see-through back right there. And it's sticky on the back, so that's good. It's good grip, very sticky on the back. On the sides are matte, so that's a little bit more slippery than the back, but I like the fact that you can hold it like this. And you see, it's not going to slide off your fingertips like that. All right, that's a good test rate. So my hand is almost flat. It's not sliding off my fingertips. All right. So and it's thin. So this is a good case. I might be rocking this. I like the way it fits. Nice fit. All right. Now let's go ahead and check out wireless charge and see how that works. Okay. Okay, so we got the wireless charger. Let's go ahead and put it on top. All right, wireless charging works, no problem. Let's stand it up. All right, so it works well there. Let's put it flat, lay it down. Wireless charge picks up there as well. All right, so it works good in all positions with wireless charge. That was a quick look at the Spigen Ultra Hybrid case for the Galaxy Note 21 Ultra. This case is pretty slim and sleek, and it's got decent grip, and it's going to give you some good scratch and minor drop protection. All right, I'll put the link in the description for if you want to get it. If you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ out.